Hello, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax Long Beach Island. We're on the 2019 Sea Ray 290 Outboard. Up at the bow, you have a windlass, nice forward seating, armrests, in-floor storage, as you move aft, you have a head compartment with a sink and a window, lockable storage in the glove box. At the helm, you have a 12-inch Simrad display, Fusion stereo, digital throttles, joystick piloting. As we move further aft, you have this family room style layout. Lots of area, more in-floor storage. We have a cooler. Over here we have a refrigerator. Ice chest. A sink. Trash receptacle. And the covers for the sink and the ice chest are stored down below there. Because this is an outboard boat, I like to call this area the trunk. Huge storage area. Battery compartment. As we move further aft, you have aft facing seating. Little cooler at the transom. A remote for the stereo, so you don't have to climb through the boat. Freshwater shower. On the transom, you see this boat's equipped with twin 2250 Mercury outboards. And this boat also has a swim step. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. This was a 2019 290 Sea Ray Outboard. You can contact me at 609-494-2102 or reach me at jim.ferg@marinemax.com.